guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and this is coming from Vanessa Barney. So let's get this open, guys. Girly! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Eileen, thank you so much for entering my giveaway, and congrats on winning this a very unique collection. Oh my god. It says, thank you so much for entering my giveaway and congrats on winning. This is a very unique collection as I had the artwork commissioned and print cut everything myself. You're not going to find this anywhere else. I would love to see what you make with it. So please tag me at Craftedvee. Oh, Vanessa. Oh my god. So beautiful. And she gave me some of her postcards. This one says, Black Lives Matter, love thy neighbor as thyself, and I see you, I hear you, you are beautiful, we stand together. Vanessa! Girly, I'm going to share your links down below in the description box, guys. So please go check her out. Look at this gorgeous paper that she has created and printed and shared with me. This is beautiful. I think this is like a 6x6, 246, yes. So these are 6x6, guys. Oh my gosh. There's a very, very faint gray stripe in the background. I love these colors. Oh my gosh, I love that there's purple and pink in here. Look at these polka dots. Oh my gosh, and this checkerboard, not checkerboard, but you know, harlequin, something like that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I definitely am gonna have to create with this. This is gorgeous. Look at the skulls. And I don't know, this feels like laser, like she print on laser paper. Look at the pumpkins. So gorgeous. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is just the paper collection, guys. I have not even touched. I think this, oh gosh, look at the spider webs. Oh wow. She's got the Ouija on here. Vanessa, this is beautiful. There's the darker stripes, the same print, darker stripes. And you got some zigzag lines. Oh, I love that. It's very creative. I love it, love it, love it. It's gorgeous. Happy Halloween. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much in this kit. I'm sure you can purchase this kit on her website. Oh my gosh, so she has cut aparts. So she went ahead and cut it out for me already, and that's what the back looks like. Oh my gosh, look at this little one. It says boo. Oh my gosh, did you guys even see that? I'm so hoping the glare didn't. Gorgeous. This one says, it's just a bunch of hocus pocus, and the back looks like that. So cute. Drink up, witches. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's what the back looks like. Witch witch in training. And it's got the spider webs. Look at this one, so cute. Witch in training with the lighter background, and you got like the Dia de los Muertos. I don't know how to say that right. Witch in. This is cute. Whoops. This is cute. Got the spider webs on the back. And drink up witches. Oh my gosh. And then you have the three. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I love it. You guys, go check her out. This is so amazing and perfect timing. My goodness. So look at this one. It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Vanessa. Let's get spooky. That's the background. There's that girl again. But this is beautiful, girly. I love your color selection and everything. And I'm hoping that everything is recording. So there you go. Double-sided. So it's just more of cut aparts that she includes in her kit. Oh wow. I like that one with the pumpkins. Super cute. We'll drink up witches. Witch in training. Let's get spooky. And then this is a buttload of ephemera, you guys. There's a lot in this digital kit. Wow. And she's got itty bitties too. Oh my gosh. So let's see. Here's a bunch of her little star flares right there. It's a yellow one and some of the white ones. And here's just another star. So many tiny little pieces. There's the little Ouija. The Ouija eye. I hope it's not too glared up on the camera. There we go. There's a lot. Oh my gosh. So much fun to play with. So many little pieces. Oh my goodness. She even has candy corn. Well, if I can hold it right. There we go. Look at that. And she got different style of stars. I don't even know if you guys can see all of this, but I'm doing this crazy. I don't know why. Cute little itty bitty pumpkin. Pumpkin. Purple star. Lots of candies. Lots of ephemeras. There's just so many. You guys have to check it out yourselves. Get this digital kit. Oh my gosh. Got the moon. And more candies. A larger pumpkin. So much to play with, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. The skull with the snake. Itty bitties. Look at this little skull. And you got a ghost. Another size pumpkin. There's so much to play with. Resting witch face. Yes, that's me. That's me. Look at that. Little skulls again. You got the girly. This time she's cut out. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of time and effort to cut these all separate. Look at that, 2 spider webs even. So very much. Oh my gosh. Lips. You got a cat. There's so many, guys. I'm gonna have to fast forward through these. Look at that. Little potion bottle and a ghost. She's got a moon with the webs. And the coffin and the skull. And this candy. Look at this little girl right here. She's too cute. Too cute. That's a good size ephemera. Put her up on a rosette. A little coffin. And all these skulls you get to play with. Like, oh my gosh, different style skulls even. Look at that. Doesn't it look cute? Oh my gosh. Just a lot of stars too. Very nice. Look at that one with the wick. And a little flower. There's another Ouija eye. And Dia de los Muertos. I hope I'm saying that right. Get all my Spanish speaking friends on my butt. Oh, it's a different size skull. You have another spider web. Resting witch face. I like that one. You got more potion. Another smaller sizes. So there's just a whole bunch of ephemera that you can get with this digital kit. Just imagine what you could do if you buy the kit and you can print it out as big or as small and make them stickers. This is gorgeous. This is just so gorgeous. And you got little potions here, and you even got flowers to play with. Very nice. Wow, girly, you did a lot. This is a lot of work. This is so many pieces. Laser cut. Not laser cut, laser print. You got several of these girlies here. And then you got this one. Wow, that's a nice size bat. And some more stars. Look at this itty bitty ghost that didn't get lost. Gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. And you got more of the Ouija's. Very, very nice. And another teeny tiny ghost. And the kitty. And it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. Oh my gosh, girly. Thank you so much. So many. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Vanessa. I greatly appreciate you. And please, guys, go check her out. She's on Instagram at Craftedvee, V-E-E. That's her name, Vanessa. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, check her out. Give her some crafty love. And you might want to buy her digital kit. Wow. Thanks, guys. Bye.